Namaste. In this video we will see the uses of Microsoft Bing for the education purpose, and we will try to explore few of the features of Microsoft Bing. For that purpose you need to open Microsoft Edge, because both are related. Microsoft Edge and Bing are by Microsoft, so it will run better in the Microsoft Edge. So open Microsoft Edge Explorer. You will find option of Bing over here. This icon shows Microsoft Bing. Just click on it. This feature is also called now Copilot. There are two options you will find over here: chat and compose. In the chat option you can ask the question where you are expecting some answers for your questions or some of your queries. You are asking for suggestions, you are asking some ways or resolution, then you will have this feature of chat. It's like you may ask anything. So it is more about the chat based interface of the Microsoft Bing. Now I have asked what are the best learning theories for slow learners. Now Copilot feature of the Bing is giving answer by using the websites. So it is more combination of AI and search engines. Collaboratively we are getting the answers from the Copilot. So it is saying by the web, and it can show which line and what answers taken from where. You can see 1 2 3 1 2 3, and those sources are mentioned over here. So basically Copilot answers our questions with the help of different web resources. It collectively give you the right answer, the best possible answers to our questions. So Copilot can be used to get the answers of different questions. Second feature, compose. It is for generative AI. It can create the content for us. I have asked the disaster management in heavy rain and guidelines for teachers. So here you can see the options, what kind of content answers we are expecting. It should be professional, casual, enthusiastic, informal, funny, and there are many. If you want to add something extra type of content you are looking for to answer these questions, and what kind of answer you want, in what format, paragraph, email attachment or email, ideas like bulleted list, or the blog post like is a combination of the bulleted list and the paragraph. Length, what kind of length we are expecting for this answer, decide the length, short, medium, long, and then click on generate draft. Here also the draft word has been used. It shows that we have to use this content, the generated content, as a draft. We should not copy and paste exactly what is given by the any kind of AI. Just think on it, customize it, and then only use it. Now disaster management in heavy rain, because now rain is going on heavy, that's why I'm asking this question. I am expecting the professional answers and in the form of ideas, and I want medium answer, and clicking on generate drafts. Let us see the kind of answers. Once it is done, again the generate draft tab has been highlighted. So it has given few of the ideas. When we receive these answers, we have to decide copy or we want regenerate the draft. Okay, let us see if instead of ideas, if I putting in the form of blog post, let us see what's happened. So this is generated as a blog post. We need to see whether all the activities or all the content that has been suggested is correct, appropriate for our situation or not. If you're happy, then you can just click on copy and you can paste it anywhere you want, and you can edit and modify and then use. Or if you want, you are not satisfied with the result, you can click on the regenerate the draft, so it will reorganize in a different way. In addition to that, some further questions, related questions are also suggested by this AI. So it can be, it is suggested, if you want to click the generate on the related topic, you can also click on it. So it is generating the content. This is how we can use these two features of Microsoft Bing. One is chat and second is compose. This is the one way to make use of Bing feature by clicking this icon, or either you can search the Bing, Microsoft Bing here itself in the search bar, Bing AI. Then you will find this Copilot feature over. Just click on Copilot. Here there are two features, Copilot and Notebook. In a Copilot, again, as I told you previously, that this is about getting the answers from this AI. It can generate the answer for you, or it can be collecting the answer from various web resources. And notebook feature is a feature where we can see that we can create the content, we can generate the content with the help of this AI, and we can it can be used like a notebook, that like where we are writing many things. Our previous record, previous content will be here, and we can rewrite, we can edit those content over here. So Copilot is more about chatting base, and this is more about generating the content from here. So in this way we can use different features of Bing